Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to bulk delete Facebook posts, and all you have to do is to launch your Facebook application. From here, you are going to tap on your menus here at the top. So you're going to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Then you're going to tap on settings. From there, you're going to scroll down until you see your activity. Then you're going to tap on activity log. And there you're going to tap on a public post. And as you can see, I only have one post. If I wanted to delete it, and then just click on it, and it's like just tap on move to trash, and it won't be here anymore. I can also say to tap on the three dots and tap on hide from profile, or even change the audience, move to archive, then move to trash. So once I tap on move to trash, I would no longer be able to see these posts. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.